Hi, today I'm Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra and I'll show you how to unmute ringtone volume on that device. So first, let's open the settings application and then tap to the sounds and vibration. Here click the volume section and to unmute ringtone volume, slide to the right side this blue dot. Also, we got one more way how we can do that with the help of the volume buttons, but to use them be sure first that this switcher is turned off to use volume buttons to change the ringtone. And now just by press to the ringtone volume up volume button, we can also unmute ringtone volume. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.